Homeowners are always looking for ways to add a little more storage space to their home, and an attic is a logical place to look.
Well, the first thing you have to remember, Danny, when you're using an attic for storage space is it doesn't often have a floor down. So here we put down some 1/2-inch plywood, which is minimum you need, and screwed it down to the floor joist.
And I know the shelving that we're constructing here certainly makes a difference in accommodating all the boxes that end up in attics.
Right, and it helps you organize it. Rather than just piling up the boxes you can't find anything, this will give you a nice, neat place to store boxes, and we've lifted it up off the floor deck so that you can slide larger boxes underneath.
Now what Joe did earlier out in the shop is he took 2 pieces of 1x4 pine and cut the angle on it to match the slope of the roof, and then put them together in a right angle with 3 drywall screws.
Right, Danny, and then all I did is screw them to the roof rafter itself. In this case, it's about 21 inches off the plywood floor, which can vary depending on the slope of the roof. And then I went to the home center and I bought an 8-foot piece of particle board shelving, which comes cut to size, already has the bullnose on it. This one happens to be about 16 inches wide. And then all you need to do is just slide it in these brackets. Just give me a hand, slide it over.
That's perfect.
Yeah. And you'll see at 16 inches, it's plenty deep enough to store some boxes.
That's perfect. I can see where that can make a big difference in several areas of the attic, and I'll help you with these other
Okay,
brackets here.
great.
Then.